first gift to you. This is my very first gift to you. I know that... Oh, it's nosebleed. Sige na, tatagalogin ko na lang. It's so hard, you know. This is my first gift to you. This is really significant to me and to you. So, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's your message? What's your message to Ate Karen?
Thank you.
Please. You're welcome. Kiss na already. Kiss na. You're so sweet. Okay, let's go na.
Kaya kasi yung cake doon.
Nosebleed, ah. No?
Pet.